There's a new bird sitting on my balcony. I don't know if it's a woodpecker or what it is. It's just sitting there. It's really pretty. It's not afraid of me. I'm standing pretty close to the glass. It's not making any noise. But I'll find out what it is because I have my Audubon book. That's pretty. I ordered some more bird food. I ordered a 50-pound bag of corn for the Steller's jays because I read that they like that. And they also kill hummingbirds, so I'm hoping that these 4 Steller's jays that hang out here will eat all the corn and not kill the hummingbirds. But that's kind of stupid thinking, but oh well, it makes me feel better. But then I ordered another 40 pounds of black oil sunflower seeds because all the birds seem to love those except for the Steller's jays. So I read they eat insects and bird babies, which is too bad. That one almost reminds me of a baby because of the way the feathers are on its chest. But this is a big bird. It's bigger than every bird that's been on my balcony except for the jays. It's about the size of a jay. So I'll add that. I'll find out what it is and put it in my YouTube thing. So that's my new little friend. Have a nice day.